In this video, I will show you how to connect an Orbi satellite to an Orbi router. So all you need to do, first of all, is place the satellite in the same room as the router. And of course, you'd like to plug it into the power. You can move it later after the pairing, but for now, make sure to keep them close and together. So, of course, you would like to wait for the satellites to boot, wait from 2 to 3 minutes, and let the satellites fully start up. Then you can go, an example, to your Orbi router and press the sync button once. You now have about 2 minutes to sync the satellites. So once you click on the sync button on the router, you would like to go to the satellite as well. Of course, as I said, you have 2 minutes. Some versions you may have less, you may have more, so keep the time between the two presses short. So of course, you would like to click the press button on the satellite as well. And within, of course, the 2 minutes or less, and press the sync button, of course, the satellite, and the devices will begin pairing. So once you do so, you would like then to go and check the satellite's ring lights. After syncing, basically blue light will mean you have an excellent connection. If you have amber or orange, it means a fair connection. If you have magenta or purple, probably the connection means it's failed. So blue or amber means the satellite is connected. And here, as you can see on this picture, you can see all the lights that you may see on your router or satellite. And of course, once you're done with that, once the connection is done, you find blue or amber lights, you can just then move the satellite to its final location. Once it's paired, you can unplug the satellite and move it halfway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area and plug it back in, and it should work very easily. Of course, to make sure it's everything working as it should be, you can verify the connection inside the Orbi application. You can open the Orbi application, check the satellite status, signal quality, and the connected devices as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.